Kaboo. Okay, so I'm here in my studio and I've just set up my tent. This thing won't work. You're on my DJI Osmo Mobile. It works, but just following me. So I'm going to turn you around and show you my tent. So this is my tent. It's the PyraOmm Duo Tarp tent from Liteway, and with it I bought the Liteway PyraOmm Duo Mesh inner. But as I'm planning to go to Iceland this summer, I wanted to have more of a winter inner tent. So I've bought the 3F ultralight gear inner, but of course it's not fitted for this tent. So right now, oh dear, you're all crooked. So right now there you go, straight up again. I've hung it in my tent and I'm going to see if I can get it fitting for this PyraOmm tent, and I have to adjust some elastic cords and lower this down a bit, about 5 or 6 centimeters, because I hung it up in there just a bit haphazardly, so I have to measure some elastic and some cord to get it fitted right. So that's what I'm doing today, and hopefully I can get the inner fitted for the PyraOmm Duo. So let's get cracking, shall we? So I cut this cord into 6 pieces and going to attach them to the inner tent. I'm melting down the ends so they don't come loose while I'm camping, because as you can see there's a bit of a, please focus, yes, the threads are a bit frayed and loose where I cut it, so I'm just melting the ends so they don't come loose any further. All right, oh, that looks very nice. Very good. All right, with this done, all cut up and melted down, I'm going to remove the inner tent from the outer and then attach the elastic to the top and the bottom corners, and at the back, oh, you can see that there's also an attachment point. So as you can see here at the top, there already is a bit of elastic cord, so I'm going to see if I can reuse this at the top also, and just going to undo the knot and see if I can lengthen this a bit, and see if I can lengthen this a bit, whatever. So the tent hangs a bit lower in the outer, and then we can get the floor a bit more level. It's about that 5 or 6 centimeters that I needed at the bottom. So I've got it loose now. Let's just see what we can do with this. So this could be just about the length I need. I'm just wondering if I'm just going to tie it up like this, or make it into a knot that can go up and down. But now I'm wondering if that's a bit too much, because if I put any strain on the tent, it just goes like that. And then my inner tent will be on the floor with the rest of the floor of the tent. So yeah, I think I'm just going to attach it like this and see what happens. Let's see if we can still get just about that 5 or 6 centimeters. Oh no, that's too much. Just keeping it real, guys. I'm just trying stuff out because I've never adjusted any tent or inner tent before, but now I have this whole customized setup. I was like, well, just try it, because you never know, you can always gain some knowledge, and if it doesn't work, well then I'll just have to figure something else out. So now you've got like this. I'll just put that inside the little loop, if that works. That will work. Okay, I'll have to do it like this. I think this is going to give me just an extra bit of space I needed. So I'm now going to attach the rest of the elastic to the corners of the ground sheet, and check in with you later. Okay, so I managed to attach some of the elastics, but as you can see, I haven't attached it to this tent, but to the outer tent, which I haven't completely pitched right, but it's going to be like this. And then I need to stake this down and see how it works with the outer and the inner tent, because right now it's still a bit touching together. But I think as soon as I've got it pitched right, and maybe loosen the elastics a bit, it's going to be fine. Because it's inside, I can't pitch it really well. As you can see, this will come out too. I still have to attach a couple of guy lines here, so that will come out a bit. With maybe a preliminary review, is that the tent more or less fits the PyraOmm Duo from Liteway. So the inner tent is the 3F ultralight gear inner tent, I think for the Lanshan one. But apparently it also fits here. And that's awesome. I'll just open it up a bit. And so up there, and I'll keep it open like this. Just have a look inside and see the roominess. So this fits pretty well. It's I think almost identical to the PyraOmm Duo Mesh inner tent, but it's a winter version, only mesh up there. So hopefully I'll be a bit more protected from the elements during winter, early spring or late autumn camps, and that was what I was looking for. Once the weather lets up a bit, because it's very rainy here, I'm going to pitch it either outside in my front garden, or I'll do a review whenever I'm walking one of my Pieterpad, a Dutch long distance trail sections. Or maybe I'll just do a complete customized tent kit review when I'm in Iceland this summer, because I'm planning to go to Iceland. I have to say it's pitched pretty well considering I'm using the things I'm using as anchor points. So I think this is what's going to be my new tent kit during the colder months. It just works, so yay. If you like this, yeah, sort of a review, sort of kit adjustment, customized tent thingy, like and subscribe, and ring that little bell to get more and faster alerts when I post another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you outside on the trail, I think. Bye.